Hello, my name is Chun Seong. I'm from Singapore, and right now I'm in Jinan in DXTech's factory. I first approached DXTech and I was looking at their metal fabrication equipment, including the laser cutting machines, the press brake machines, as well as their laser welding machines. And in the visit to their factory, I could see all ranges of their equipment, currently in fabrication, in assembly, and in calibration and testing. Of the equipments that I was interested in, there are salespeople like Alan and Ava were very kind to arrange their operational staff here to set up and operate the equipment and to demonstrate the equipment's capabilities and how to create the designs that I've forwarded to them, and they could show me and demonstrate the capabilities of their equipment. And their operators here also were very knowledgeable in educating me in the operation of the equipment and in how to set up the systems, how to operate the systems, how to maintain the systems, so that when I do purchase all this equipment in our own factory, we are very confident of creating our own fabrication processes, and of course with DXTech's post-sales support, very confident in enabling our company to bring in these forms of metal fabrication equipment and to create our own new fabrication processes.